This video is for an installation example and demonstration. Use the site-specific submittal package for material and installation instruction details. Note: some larger or non-standard balconies require different hardware and installation methods. Refer to your ASD submittal package for instructions. If you have further questions, contact your ASD project manager. This is the installation video for balconies type 4 and 5. Balcony type 4 has one sag rod and one side mount bracket. Balcony type 5 has two side mount brackets. Preparation. Once you are ready to install the balconies to the respective brackets, you first need to verify that all relevant materials have arrived. Make sure that the material list is complete as specified. Using the submittal as your guide, verify that the tags on each balcony assembly match the width and projections as listed in the submittal document. For example, if you have a railing labeled A, match that part with the balcony assembly labeled A. Gather each post bundle that matches the balcony type. Next, locate the front posts. These can be identified by two 7/16" holes and two 1/8" holes on the sides of each post. Locate the following hardware to install the front posts to the balcony fascia. Next, locate the pre-drilled holes on the fascia and posts. Use the hardware to install the front post. Continue installing the front posts to the balcony fascia as outlined in the submittal document. The next pieces to be installed are the end posts. Identify and gather end posts and all associated hardware. This can be identified by two 9/16" holes as well as two 7/16" holes on two sides and two 1/8" holes on one side. Place the non-drilled side facing the building for installation. If you already installed the RCB1, it will be pointed away from the building. Collect the following parts. Locate the pre-drilled holes on the balcony joist and use the hardware to install each end post. Continue installing the end posts to the balcony joists as outlined in the submittal document. The next pieces to be installed are the corner posts. These can be identified by two 7/16" holes on two sides and two 1/8" holes on two alternating sides. Identify and gather corner posts and all associated hardware. Locate the pre-drilled holes on the corner of the balcony fascia and use the hardware to install each corner post. Continue installing the corner posts to the balcony fascia as outlined in the submittal document. Once all the posts are installed, you'll begin installing the railing components. Gather railing components marked top rail, bottom rail, infill, and corresponding balcony frame. Be sure to verify that they match the submittal documentation. Refer to separate railing installation instructions found on americanstructures.com. Once railing installation is completed, the next step is to install the balcony subfascia angles, referred to as BSFA, onto the subfascia brackets. Gather all BSFAs to be installed as well as corresponding hardware. Locate the subfascia brackets previously installed on the building. Align the pre-drilled holes on the BSFAs to the balcony subfascia bracket. Ensure the BSFA is flush to the end of the knife plate. Using the designated hardware, attach the BSFAs, using hand tools to torque 43 foot-pounds. Next, locate the sag rod that will be installed. Each sag rod is labeled to a corresponding balcony per your ASD submittal. Gather the corresponding hardware. Hoist the balcony to the designated location. Using the designated hardware, attach the balcony fascia on the underside to the previously installed side mount bracket. Repeat this step for a Type 5 balcony. Continue installing the sag rod to the balcony fascia as per the submittal. Next, align the balcony subfascia to the balcony subfascia angles previously installed on the building brackets. To install the balcony frame, verify the center line of the balcony frame and the finished height of the decking surface per the ASD submittal drawings. If the subfascia brackets were installed correctly on the building, the pre-drilled holes in the subfascia should align to the center line of the subfascia angles that you will be anchoring the frame to. If the height of the decking surface needs to be adjusted, the balcony can be raised to 3/8 inch from the top of the subfascia brackets and then secured to balcony subfascia angles on the walls using the number 14 by 1 inch screws. Note: balcony Type 5 does not offer height adjustment to the finished balcony height. If the balcony frame needs to be raised more than 3/8 inch from the top of the subfascia brackets, custom balcony subfascia angles can be fabricated per engineering approval. This does not apply to balcony Type 5. Locate the pre-drilled holes on balcony subfascia and use 8 14 by 1 fasteners to secure the subfascia to the BSFAs. Repeat this process for the remaining subfascia brackets. Install all deck boards to the balcony frame. Interlock the deck boards using the supplied hardware, and repeat this process until all deck boards are installed. Next, locate the decking end board BA-BDEB that corresponds to the balcony you're installing. Mark the center line of each joist on the top of last deck board. Anchor balcony decking end board using the supplied FS 10 by 1.5 Pan Escutech. Ensure the following 11 connections are tight and secure. Top rail to post. Infill attachment to TR. Post connection to balcony fascia. Bracket to subfascia. Decking to joist. Sag rod to balcony and to wall. Bottom rail to RCB1. Post to RCB1. Splice connection. Post to joists on side of balcony. Side mount to balcony.